Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to unstar a PDF in Google Drive on your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to manage your starred files. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Next, you need to find the PDF file that you want to unstar. You can use the search bar at the top or scroll through your files until you locate it. Once you've found the PDF, look for the three dots icon next to the file name. This icon represents more options. Now, click on those three dots. A menu will appear with several options related to that file. From this menu, select Organize. This will take you to a new window where you can manage the file's organization settings. In this window, you'll see an option labeled Remove from Starred. Click on this option to unstar your PDF. By doing this, the file will no longer appear in your starred section, making it easier for you to keep track of important documents. And that's it. You've successfully unstarred a PDF in Google Drive. This simple process helps you maintain an organized workspace without cluttering your starred files with documents that are no longer a priority. Remember, if you ever need to star a file again, just follow the same steps and select Add to Starred instead of removing it. Keeping your Google Drive organized is key to productivity, and knowing how to manage starred files is an essential part of that. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Google Drive efficiently. Happy organizing!